Hello everybody, I'm Val and it is the 18th of the month, and that means it is time to have our jewelry making fun collab. Every 18th of the month we get together, myself and other wonderful crafters, and create things from kind of like a challenge, and it is sponsored by Deb Huck of Dahlia Designs. And I'm going to tell you the certain colors we had to use this time and the different themes we had to use, or we could use in our challenge, in our collaboration this time. So this is one that I really like because it incorporates my favorite colors. I love blue, and I also kind of love tan. I have really in the past few years become a big fan of neutral toned items. So in our collaboration, we are to use blue, white, and tan. Those are our colors. We can make a beach or nautical themed set, and we can incorporate wood beads and pearls. And so I've done a lot of these things, and I'll show you what I have. So I have got a pearl stretch cord bracelet. They're faux pearls. I've got 3 focal pearls at the center there that are larger, and then the others are smaller. So I just thought that was really pretty and classic. You can't go wrong with that. Pretty much matches everything. So a little pearl necklace. I've got another stretch cord bracelet, and this one reminds me of the ocean. It's blue Picasso beads, and they have like they're kind of speckled beads. I would say they have a little green in there, but that made a nice bracelet too. And these beads are very good to mix other colors with. And I think the colors in this challenge go very well with this Picasso blue bead. And so I've got one more bracelet. I had a lot of fun making this one. It's a leather cord bracelet. And I made, this is what I used with my wood beads. So I'm even going to put this one on and show you what I did. I have some kind of chunky tan colored wood beads here on top. And then on the bottom, I used these as kind of a tassel. Some little more wood beads to finish this. And then I've got it kind of fastened together with a little silver bead. And then there's enough room in that silver bead for both pieces of leather. So you can adjust, you know, you can put it on and you can adjust it like that. So I had fun making that little bracelet. I like that one. That might be my little favorite out of this group. So there's 3 bracelets, and I've got a couple pair of earrings. So these are all tan and blue colored, and these earrings. So they are Picasso beads in the seed beads, and then I have some tan Picasso beads there. I hope you're able to see them. And a little heart charm at the bottom. That's bronze. And some bronze ear wires. And so that especially matches this bracelet here. And then the last thing I did is 30mm pair of hoops. They're, I would say, kind of on the small side, like a little larger than a quarter. That's what, 30mm is. What I love about these is the mixture of colors, and I've had pretty good feedback when I use these colors, so I think I've got a winning combo. They are pearl seed beads, tan Picasso beads, the blue Picasso beads, and also like turquoise colored Picassos. And so that's what I've got this time. I love blue, and so this was fun, trying to kind of match things with blue and tan and pearl. I really am loving those colors together, so I really enjoyed this this collab for June the 18th. So please visit all the other people below, and I'm gonna leave their links in the description. And have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.